Welcome to the second part of our video series on the 2+ cations community support portal. This time, we want to take you a little deeper into the groups available within our platform, each with its own specific purpose to provide you with better service and access to the information you need. Our platform has 7 different groups, and in this video we will explore some of them in more detail so you can take full advantage of all their functions. We start with the 2+ cations support group. This is the portal where you create patient cases for proper follow-up. In addition, you have access to an extensive database with key information about our science, protocols, clinical studies, and much more. To access this database, just look for the link on the right side of the portal. Once you log in with the icon on the bottom left, you will be able to explore all the articles and information available. Going back to the support portal, on the same right side you will find a link to our artificially intelligent chatbot called IBAL, where you can consult any data related to the product and the science behind our technology. The next group is the distributors group, which ensures that Ion Gel ZCM-25 reaches our suppliers efficiently, managing inventory logistics and guaranteeing timely deliveries. Next is the healthcare professionals group. Here, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals collaborate to diagnose, treat, and manage the health of patients using Ion Gel ZCM-25. In this group, you can also find case study files, protocols, and other valuable documents for your daily practice. Another key group is IBAL research. This is where science and innovation meet. This group is dedicated to studying the antioxidant, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties of the IBAL ligand complex, which are fundamental to the development of highly bioavailable and safe treatments. The group dedicated to Ion Gel ZCM-25 concentrates everything related to the product, including technical information, marketing content, and key distribution data. We also have a dedicated pharmaceutical industry group, ensuring that patients have access to Ion Gel ZCM-25 and providing appropriate guidance for its use. Finally, the last group is topical RX research, focused on the development and evaluation of new topical treatments with clinical trials to ensure efficacy, safety, and tolerability. We hope this video has better clarified the structure of the groups within our 2+ cations community support platform. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our specialists. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the portal.